An affidavit of domestic partnership is a legal document acknowledging that a couple is engaged in a domestic partnership or in a relationship and living together. This form gives each partner some legal rights related to such matters as hospital visitation and inheritance. eForms, the world's largest database of fillable legal forms, and we're here to help you understand legal forms and how to use them for your benefit. In this video, we'll cover what constitutes a domestic partnership, which states allow for domestic partnerships, what an affidavit for domestic partnership is, and how to file an affidavit. Be sure to click the link at the end of the video to start filling out an affidavit of domestic partnership. Let's start with what a domestic partnership actually is. First, it's important to note that just 8 states and 1 district acknowledge domestic partnerships as legal relationships. These are California, District of Columbia, Hawaii, and in Hawaii the term reciprocal beneficiaries is used instead of domestic partners. Maine, Nevada, New Jersey, Oregon, Washington, and Wisconsin. The requirements for a domestic partnership differ slightly in different places. As an example, in Maine, partners must be able to prove that they have been living together for 12 months. In New Jersey, partners just need to be able to produce evidence of a common residence, such as a joint mortgage agreement or lease, a joint banking account, or joint ownership of a motor vehicle. You might be interested to know that domestic partnerships were a concept that came out of the movement for equal rights for same-sex couples in the 1980s. Because same-sex marriage was not allowed anywhere at the time, advocacy groups called for legal recognition of same-sex partnerships and some associated privileges. Thus, the domestic partnership was born. Some states still only recognize same-sex partnerships as domestic partnerships. Make sure to check our website to understand the laws regarding domestic partnerships where you live. A domestic partnership doesn't guarantee the same legal rights and benefits as marriage. Domestic partnerships are recognized by states, whereas marriage is recognized by the federal government. This means domestic partners can't access federal benefits such as spousal immigration status or Social Security survivor benefits. However, a domestic partnership does give each partner some special rights. So what rights do domestic partnerships afford? That depends on the state, but some common benefits include health insurance, bereavement benefits, inheritance rights, visitation rights in jails and hospitals, and life insurance. Now, let's talk about the Affidavit of Domestic Partnership. The affidavit identifies the partners and declares that they are over the age of 18, mentally competent, not related by blood, not in any other kind of partnership with anyone else, engaged in a relationship of mutual caring and support, interdependent as evidenced by common ownership of property or bank accounts, driver's licenses, listing a common address, assignment of power of attorney or beneficiary designation on a will or retirement account. The affidavit also asks the couple to swear under oath that they are not in the relationship solely for the purpose of obtaining legal benefits. The affidavit should be signed in the presence of a witness and a notary public. Then it should be filed with the city clerk's office. A filing fee applies, though this differs across states. Click the link below to start creating your own affidavit of domestic partnership. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos that help you understand exactly what you're agreeing to when you sign a legal document.